Are you losing matches because of high ping? Your character freezes, your shots register late, and every game feels unfair. If you are using Wi-Fi on PC or console, this problem is very common. But the good news is, you can fix most high ping issues in just a few minutes. Let's fix high ping step by step. Step 1. Restart your network properly. This sounds simple, but it fixes many connection problems. Turn off your console or PC first. Now unplug your router and modem. Wait for about 60 seconds. Plug the modem back in first. Wait until all lights become stable. Then plug the router back in. Now start your PC or console again. This clears temporary network errors and refreshes your internet route. Step 2. Move closer to the router. Wi-Fi signal strength directly affects ping. Walls, metal objects, and furniture can weaken the signal. Try moving your console or PC closer to the router. Even moving one room closer can reduce ping significantly. If possible, place the router in a central and open location. Step 3. Switch Wi-Fi band. Most modern routers support two Wi-Fi bands, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. 2.4 GHz travels farther but is slower. 5 GHz is faster but has shorter range. For gaming, 5 GHz usually gives lower ping. To check this, go to Settings, then go to Network, then go to Wi-Fi. Then select the 5 GHz network if available. Many players report a big ping drop after switching bands. Step 4. Stop background downloads. High ping often happens when other devices use the internet. Streaming, downloads, cloud backups all increase network delay. Check devices connected to your Wi-Fi. Pause downloads on phones, PCs, or smart TVs while gaming. On Windows, you can also check this. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape. Open Task Manager, then go to Processes. Check which apps are using the network. Close unnecessary apps. Step 5. Change your DNS server. DNS does not directly control ping, but it can improve connection stability. Many gamers use Google DNS. On Windows, follow this. Go to Settings, then go to Network and Internet, then go to Advanced Network Settings. Then select your Wi-Fi adapter, then go to DNS settings. Set DNS manually. Primary DNS 8.8.8.8. Secondary DNS 8.8.4.4. This can sometimes improve routing speed to game servers. Step 6. Update your router firmware. Old router software can cause latency problems. Open your browser. Type your router address, usually 192.168.1.1. Log into your router, then go to Firmware Update. Install the latest update if available. Many manufacturers release updates that improve Wi-Fi stability and reduce lag. Step 7. Use QoS if your router supports it. QoS means quality of service. It prioritizes gaming traffic. Open your router settings, go to Advanced Settings, then go to QoS. Add your console or PC as a priority device. This helps reduce lag when other people use the internet. Step 8. Check game server region. Sometimes the problem is not your internet, it is the game server location. If your game allows it, go to Settings, then go to Gameplay. Then go to Server Region, then select the closest region. Choosing a distant server can increase ping dramatically. Final tip, use Ethernet if possible. Even though this video focuses on Wi-Fi users, Ethernet cable always gives the lowest ping. If the router is close enough, this is the most reliable solution. If any step was confusing, write your problem in the comments. I reply to every comment within 1 hour. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to TechVibes. Stay connected, stay lag-free, and I will see you in the next Tech Fix video.